Multiple Launch Rocket Regiment provides the division with a general support long-range fire unit. It is used principally against enemy gun, mortar, and rocket positions in the counter-battery role, and provides depth fire against armor concentrations, communications and radar sites, logistics units, assembly areas, headquarters, and other targets identified by artillery intelligence. The regiment is organized into a regimental headquarters, 3 rocket batteries, and a headquarters and services battery. Each rocket battery comprises a command post, 2 rocket troops, each with 5 launchers, and a services troop. The headquarters and services battery breaks down into the regimental command post, a signals section, and a services troop which deploys into 2 echelon elements. The A echelon element includes a small control headquarters with supply and maintenance support detachments and additional ammunition vehicles. It also deploys the unit medical station in the vicinity of the regimental command post. The B echelon comprises the regimental administrative headquarters and any elements not required forward. The regiment normally deploys in battery areas which are spread across the division front. The regimental and battery command posts are centrally located, each incorporating a small survey element. The A echelon locates near the regimental command post. The B echelon and the regimental administrative headquarters are sited in the division administrative area. Each rocket troop requires at least 15 pre-selected firing positions, 2 loading points, and 1 ammunition holding area, normally sited 5 to 15 kilometers back from the FIBA. Under direction of the battery command post, troops function as separate entities with their launchers spread over an area of approximately 9 grid squares. Prior to firing, launchers wait in prepared firing positions or in hides. Each launcher fires from an individual site. They may be fired singly, by troops, or by batteries, depending on the weight of fire required. Launchers use shoot and scoot tactics and wide dispersion to help avoid detection and to minimize vulnerability. After firing, the launcher moves to a reloading position. After replenishing its ammunition stocks, it proceeds to another hide or firing position. The multiple launch rocket system consists of a carrier with its launcher, launch pod container, rockets, a command, control, and communications system, and an ammunition resupply vehicle. The carrier is a self-propelled, lightly armored tracked vehicle with a crew of 3. It incorporates a launcher, an inertial navigation system, and an overpressure ventilation system. The munitions load comprises 2 launch pod containers, each holding 6 rockets. The containers can be loaded onto the launcher by its integral twin boom loader, or by a forklift. The rockets have a range of more than 30 kilometers, with each carrying more than 600 dual-purpose sub-munitions, which are effective against personnel and lightly armored vehicles. Other warheads include scatterable anti-armor minelets, terminally guided munitions, and sense and destroy armor sub-munitions. The strike effect of a sequence of 12 Ripple would devastate a company battle position or inflict total destruction on a convoy or logistics installation. The battery and troop command posts incorporate an automated fire direction system, digital message entry devices, and radios. These provide the command, control, and communications needed for deployment and firing. Each launcher has its own fire control computer, which can direct an individual rocket at a target, or, more usefully, can distribute each rocket to a specific part of the target to ensure optimum coverage. It can be programmed to lay ripple fire from 2 to 12 rockets in less than 1 minute. The specialized ammunition resupply vehicle and its trailer can carry 8 pods or 48 rockets. These vehicles resupply pods to a reloading point. There, the pods are unloaded and await pickup by the launcher. Loaded vehicles awaiting movement to the reloading point are normally located in the ammunition holding area in B echelon. There are approximately 75 ammunition resupply vehicles in the regiment. Rocket artillery is capable of rapidly saturating area targets, and its range allows for suppressing and destroying depth targets. The multiple launch rocket system is a devastating weapon which will prove to be a major factor in the division's fight to counter the echelon attack of enemy forces.